Hi everyone, it's Ann here from Ann Makes. Yep, I'm back with another video from the footage I got at Creativation 2019. If you are new here and you don't want to miss any of my DIYs, my how-tos, my demos, product reviews, all having to do with arts and crafts, I do lots of haul videos and it's always about buying, purchasing, crafting, and art making supplies, then you're going to want to click on that subscribe button below and on the bell, and that will notify you whenever I post a new video, or on the Ann Makes in the corner there, and that gets you subscribed and you don't miss any of my videos. So today's video is a presentation again of another Canadian company, this time MultiCrafts. MultiCrafts is an importer-exporter of crafting supplies, and their motto is making creativity affordable. So for those of us who like to shop in a lot of department stores, discount stores, dollar type of stores, whether it's Dollarama, Dollar Tree, Dollar Plus stores, these types of stores, we can find a lot of the MultiCraft imports there. And yeah, they really do make creativity affordable. There's a lot of great stuff, and I just wanted to present to you what they were showing on the show floor at Creativation 2019. A lot of products that we may have already seen, or you may have seen already in the stores, but they may be new to you and they haven't shown up at your store yet. And there's a lot of new stuff that's not out there yet that is coming out for 2019. So here's a look-see at what we have to look forward to in affordable creativity. And, you know, keep your eyes open to see this in your local retailers very soon. Enjoy. Wow, was that a lot of eye candy to see? Yeah, I thought so too. I truly hope that you enjoyed this video and I got you excited about creating in 2019. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, please comment, please share. I love reading all your comments and I do get back to them eventually. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed so you don't miss any the wonderful things I have to share with you pertaining to the arts and craft industry. And I hope you have a creative 2019 and stay crafty. Bye.